Hey guys, this is episode 8 of my crypto and Bitcoin portfolio series. A bit of a pullback this week, back to what was that last week, 106,000, so down 4,000 this week. Bit of a similar to sort of consolidation in gold really. Sort of see that as fairly promising if it's following the price of gold. Kind of expecting this to sort of start appreciating similar to gold with the sort of potential high inflation on the horizon with the American sort of fiscal policy and monetary policy being basically to let inflation run and try and sort of inflate their way out of debt really. So yeah, most of the big positions sort of reasonably down, sort of just 1% or 2%, not hugely really. Some are a little bit more down than others. This volatile OMG position sort of had a huge run up, so it's showing fairly well down, but on the sort of longer time scale it's still well up from where it was. So see how that goes. Ethereum actually up a little this week. Still probably expecting this to outperform Bitcoin with all of the projects that are built on top of it. So yeah, should do well. Most of the others are sort of down, either a few percent or maybe up a couple of percent. So just kind of a brief sort of overview of the positions. Few small positions, everything's unchanged. Not really looking to add sort of anything to this unless we get a significant move. There's sort of potential of a stock market downturn, which tends to sort of affect everything. Gold and Bitcoin would sort of maybe crash like in March, and I may consider picking up some cheap coins if there's anything on sale. But aside from that, I'm sort of waiting long term for probably until middle of next year maybe to start selling and sort of average my way up hopefully towards sort of the end of next year on this and start transferring it over into my ISA and invest accounts. So that's kind of the plan. Leave your thoughts in the comments below and like and subscribe if you want to see more. Cheers.